How's work been going this week?
I've been, actually I haven't worked in 2 weeks.
Nice.
Benefits of working for yourself.
I know, right?
Although I gotta tell myself, stop taking it too easy.
Yeah. Okay, lay this side up first.
This edge?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Good. There we go. Other side. Nice. Those are cool boots.
Thank you. Slow down for me.
Nice. Come down here on the end. Cross those arms over your chest. Good.
Surviving by yourself?
Oh yeah. Nice. Way back here. Yeah, good job.
Alright, Jessica, say you love her back. How's it going? How's the day going so far? So far, so
There
good.
we go.
And what was the name?
Sit up nice and slow. See how that feels.
You mind stretching me out like you did Ricky?
Yeah. Just sit down now. Waste your legs are off the table just a little bit more. Helps if they're hanging off a little bit.
How do you feel? You feeling better? That's good.
Yes, up here.
The sciatic nerve pain's gone down some. So there's a little bit. It's more kind of like on and off, not kind of constant. Just trying to stay right where you're at.
All right, you are all set.
I felt that one. Thank you.
Yeah, that was a fun one, huh?
Yeah.
All right, guys.